Everything na my thing now. No husband na my thing now. Not so.
Wait, everything she get na your own.
Na my own thing.
Her husband own say na your own.
Yes.
Why they talk this kind of thing? Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Mr. Kenzie. As you all know, every day different while, and I'm out here again to solve another serious problem. As you can see, there's a pretty lady standing by my side, although she's not happy. So fine, what's your name?
Sherry.
So guys, Sherry called me and she complained something that is very bad to me, that her mom is actually having an affair with her husband. So Sherry, I better tell them what you tell me.
Like, I don't even know where I want to start from. Say, like, my mom, at first I don't believe this thing. No, my dad is late, so I called my mom to come to stay with me in the city. Then later I find out that she's dating my husband. I was like, no, my mom cannot do something like that because I trust her. At first I did not believe this thing, but later I find out that it was real. That my mom is having an affair with my man.
Like your mom is sleeping with your husband?
Yes.
So how did you find out?
Like, there was a day like that. Normal, my friend normally tell me, but I did not believe her. But there was a day like that I went out. It was always my mom that was in the letter. My husband now came in. I went to the market to go and buy something, but when I come back now, like, I was hearing some noise, so I just started to peep. Normal, I have heard it, so I just peep. When I peep, like, the position, I don't know, like, where they were, like, he was sitting on our couch, then she was on top him, like, how? My mom.
Naked.
They were not naked. Like, she was sitting on top him, on his lap. Like, my mom cannot sit on top my man's lap now. And so, like, and my friend normally said that they went to go and lodge some hotels like that.
They normally lodge hotel just to meet each other.
Yes.
This is serious. But have you tried speaking with your mom?
Yes.
So what was her response?
Like, she was angry, so I should not ask her something like that. So I should not ask her something like that. I should not disturb her. I should not even get her angry. I was like, Mom, please stop now. Stop. You are having an affair. It's not nice. My man, there are so many men out there. You can have one for yourself. But she said no.
Okay, have you tried telling her to go back to the village?
Yes, she said she's not going back to the village, and she has come and stay.
Is it her house?
No.
Okay, what is your husband saying about the matter?
My husband says that she's my mom and he cannot send her away. That she has come to stay, that I should let her to stay. If I do not like that, I should leave the house for them.
Oh, that you should leave the house for them?
Yes.
That is happy doing the thing with your mom too?
No, I don't even know. No.
So, where is your mom right now?
My mom, I don't know. Maybe I can give you her number so you can call her.
Okay. That's what we do. I'm going to call her behind camera. So I will ask her to meet us up so we will know why she's doing this. Yeah. Wow. Okay guys, you have heard everything she said. Her guy is actually sleeping with her mom, which is very bad. I don't have to judge, I have to hear from the mom first. So we have to call the mom behind camera so the mom will come over so we'll know if she's actually saying the truth or not. Guys, please like, comment and share this video. Wherever place you see this video, please watch it fully. Stay tuned and watch to the end. Thank you. Okay guys, we don't finally call the mother. I tell her say her son-in-law get package for us when he send me to come deliver give her. So she say she dey come outside to come pick the package when I won't give her. So any moment for now she go come reach here. So more just wait, see how the whole drama go look like. For me, I don't know how it go be. So more just wait, see how the thing go be. I should be there.
Yes,
I should be there. Na young woman sef.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Sherry, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
You say you never carry
Mama,
the
come
matter
stand there.
talk for you.
Me, I don't carry any matter come here. I just want to make everybody know what they do.
Of course.
Of course it. Why you go to sleep with my man? Just get small shame. You my mother.
You know say you know do am well, I go fit do am well now. Not be so.
Which one be she no do am well, you go fit do am well?
You know you shame sef.
Why I go
I be your
shame?
daughter, I be your daughter, your son-in-law, you dey sleep
Why
with
you
your
go
own
shame?
son-in-law.
Why I go shame?
Na make your
Which one be she no do her husband well? You go do am well.
Yes, na.
So
You
she
know
carry
they
from
shame
village
you.
come na bad thing.
Even though self,
Even though
man, I just
sef.
see wetin dey
Yes.
happen. No man, I just see.
if
You
it
don't
don't
even know
happen,
the
that
shit. Na
happen.
answer we do.
You just say na
Don't
this
be
woman
everybody-
born you.
Mama, I don't even know that na she, but I just know my mother.
Madam, you just say na your daughter be this.
Even though na my daughter self, that one no concern me.
That one no concern you.
Get
Yes.
small shame. You see, if you no leave this bag, I go poison you.
Jesus.
I go
no,
poison you.
you never. How you go say you go poison your mother? Na you never reach
She
like
be my
that.
mother wey she dey sleep with my man. She no even dey shame. Na answer we do.
Why
Na
I go
ask.
shame?
Which
See, I
one
go
why you go
poison
shame
you.
na?
You know, do
I go
husband
You dey
like
proud of
you now,
wetin you dey
eh?
I go
do.
poison.
Say you dey sleep
Then
with
my
your daughter husband.
Your son-in-law, na your son-in-law. Make
Eh?
dem dey outside plenty. If you
For all the men
I
dey
no
wey
see
dey
your
this
husband
life,
sef, you dey hear
na
o.
your daughter husband.
Man,
Eh?
help me ask her.
Why na? Okay,
Do am well,
wetin you
I
see?
do am well.
No na wetin you see for her husband wey other guys no get for outside. Yeah?
Ask her.
Wetin you see for her husband wey other guys no get for outside.
You no dey even dey shame sef. You
Talk na,
my
madam.
own mother o. I
That
wish
one
na
no
my
concern
friend
me. I don
sef.
tell my own.
That one no
finish.
concern you.
Yes, so
So you wan just dey wipe am.
yes.
Hey!
See, if because of you anything happen to my marriage, back to the I go poison you.
Hey
And
God!
yeah, if my
I
mother
dey
die,
tell
just
you,
let me
no
kill
work.
her.
E no work.
You do know
If she wan poison you, e no go work.
You no work.
Hey!
You no work.
Na wow. Understand ya abeg. I no understand which kind order you get o. Say she just dey proud say she
You no even
dey
dey shame sef.
sleep
You
with
dey
your
sleep
husband.
with your own son-in-law. You no dey shame.
If other people hear am,
Wetin dey
how
happen o?
if other people hear am, how you wan make dem hear?
Yes.
Jesus.
Your own son-in-law. Your son-in-law.
I never see this kind mother before. Yeah,
Wait, if I do you
God.
anything, I lay down dey beg you, abeg forgive. If you just I do you anything for, just leave my man
Abeg,
alone
comot
na.
for my side there.
Let you, madam, come now. Which one be
I
this
don't
girl
even
do you
think-
anything? She offend you. Her father offend you. Before he die, he offend you.
You no offend me sef. That one don pass. You no wahala.
If he
No,
offend you or he say he don pass,
Yes.
then
Your
why you dey use am come
son-in-law.
suffer the girl now?
Your son-in-law, you no dey shame you dey talk about it.
As
You no
your
dey
daughter
shame.
don
Na my
marry,
daughter na dey come hold me.
as your daughter don marry, you no dey happy. Eh?
No concern me.
Hey.
You no
wow,
concern your thing.
God.
I said to God,
I
I
don
will poison
I don
you.
come I don
If I
come
do you
I don
anything,
come
I dey
enter
beg
today
you,
again.
abeg
I don come
forgive
enter
me.
today.
But leave my man alone.
I don come enter
I no fit
today.
drag the same man with
Jesus.
you. Me and you no fit drag the
Which of
same
your
man.
man? Which of your man?
My husband.
Which come for your
My
husband?
husband.
Where your husband dey?
My husband
You
George.
see
You go
husband?
leave George
You see
alone.
husband for here?
You go leave George. You go go back to that village.
No, for
Tomorrow
where?
morning
Na
you
my
go go
house
back
be
to
this o.
village.
Na your house. Na her husband house o.
Even though na husband sef, na my house be this.
Oh, so because say they wipe you na your house.
Yes.
Jesus.
You no dey even dey shame. Sef get
So now two
small
of una dey
shame.
marry the same man o.
I no wahala na.
Hey.
Me and you no fit marry the same man. It's either you go leave.
If you like leave, go
Me
live
I no
with
dey leave
another
na my
person.
husband I no dey leave na you go leave.
Hey.
Just even too small for you sef you no dey shame.
Wow,
You wan be sugar mom you even get money to give am sef. Just too small
So
for
as
you.
your daughter
You go
carry
leave.
come city na bad she do. Because of the love wey she get for you na im make her carry come city o. Which kind wahala be this now?
You don fuck all the men for city fish na my husband na you wan come sleep with.
Hey,
Your own
God.
son-in-law.
This woman, you be disgrace to womanhood o.
Then na so dem dey disgrace mama dem. Eh?
Which one be na so dey
Yes,
na so
yes,
mothers dey go sleep with their son-in-law.
Even though you sleep for this house you suppose to get small shame. You suppose to get
You no even get shame for body na im dey pain me.
na outside
Why I go
everybody
say?
go
Hey,
see this
God.
thing.
Why I go say?
You just dey proud
You
say you dey
dey
sleep
shame.
with
Why
your
I go say?
daughter-in-law. You no dey shame. Why you go shame?
I no dey same o. People wey follow daughter-in-law dey fuck na same. Na same.
You
I no
suppose
dey
to get
same.
small
Hey.
shame. You suppose to get Jesus.
Ah.
I'm ashamed on your behalf.
Oh,
You know
oh,
my
oh,
mother.
oh,
From
oh,
the day
oh,
you like,
oh,
you know
oh,
my
If you
mother.
like pack comot,
I need to
go
come out
stay
from my
for the
husband.
house.
Now you go come
Na
out.
wa, na wa,
Tomorrow
na
morning
wa,
you go
na
back
wa.
to the village.
Ah, I don come
Tomorrow morning
I
you
don
dey
come
go back
enter
to. Man, I
today
help
again.
me now.
I don come enter
Tomorrow
today.
morning you
I
dey
no
go
dey
back.
go
If you
anywhere.
no come, I
Madam.
go kill you for that house.
Madam,
I hear
abeg
you o.
lis ten to me well. This thing wey you dey do na wrong thing. How you go dey sleep with your daughter husband na? Eh? How you go dey sleep with your daughter husband and you dey proud of am? Eh? Which kind thing be that? You no even get small shame for body.
Why I go say?
Why you go
no
shame?
shame. Shey you no go shame. You go go back to village.
Why you go shame?
You go go
Hey.
back to village. You go go back.
Kenzie, you don come settle one kind case again. You don come enter. Jesus.
I go go. I go leave.
If she pursue you, go go.
I go go. I go go there with
See me I no fit even dey
You
here.
go go dey for your
Dey
house.
here. See me I
So
dey
the-
go. Make she marry her husband, but as far as me I dey concerned, na my husband, na my husband, na your son. You go leave am. As far
I say
as me
I
dey
go go. No
dey
wahala, I
stay
go
here
go.
again sef.
Pack my
No,
load
no.
come. I go go.
You go go.
Yes.
See tomorrow from that to tomorrow morning you dey leave my house. You dey leave my house.
Even
Dey
though
hear
now
me?
sef I go go.
Now
Pack my
say you
load
go
come
go.
You
outside.
go go.
Yes.
No dey
You
shame.
no just get shame. Na be wetin dey pain me for this matter. You no just get shame. Na your daughter be you suppose to dey beg her say you dey wipe her husband.
Why I go say?
Why you go shame?
Why I go say?
Eh?
I no dey say mo.
Hey,
Tell her to
Na
pack
wow.
my load come make I go.
make she pack your load come make you dey
Yes,
go.
make she give me
go.
transport make I go.
Me
Yeah,
give you
how she go
transport.
give you transport?
Me give you transport.
She give you, she carry you come, dey come wipe her husband. Now you dey say make she give you transport to carry go.
You don't even get small shame
Ah.
sef.
See, okay, so wetin go happen since she say you go give her transport, give her the transport for her to go. Shey you dey hear? For peace to reign. You no wan make she go.
She go go but
How she wan come use go even when you no give her
transport.
transport na?
She go trek give na tell her make she trek go. You dey hear o.
Since you no wan give her transport, she go stay dey your husband house dey wipe
She no
your
go
husband.
stay my husband house.
Then na where she wan stay? Under
I
the
no even
bridge.
get money but I go find way give her the transport.
You go give her the transport.
I will
See,
give her.
madam abeg, she go give you the transport. You go go back to village.
That one no wahala.
But you know, you and her husband una no go get anything again.
You
Shey you dey
give
hear
me
me?
your phone I go block your number delete am.
Shey you dey hear me? You and her husband una no go get anything again. Man no hear so na because I go arrest you if I hear this thing again. Shey you dey hear me?
Tell her to bring my money make I go. Make
Make
I
she
go my house. Make
she
I
go
go
give you
stay
the
for
how
my
much be
house.
your transport? How much be your transport?
50,000.
Jesus.
You wan see 50,000. You person
Jesus.
wey dey get small shame. You person mother.
50,000 for transport. Where you dey
Who
go?
go give you that transport?
See,
I go America.
since na wetin she want, we go give her the 50,000.
Who go give her the 50,000?
See, I go support you, go give her that money because as I see your mother like this, na problem she dey find.
7,500. I only give her the 7,500. Make she just
Oh yeah, give me. Make I dey
She go
go.
give. Oya, she go give you. Dey go first.
Okay.
Go come settle the thing for house. Go give you the money. Dey go.
No wahala.
Dey go. Jesus. Na this kind order you get.
You don see am now.
Hey, you don enter. Wrong
Yes,
mother
I
na
no
issue.
even- She know my mother again.
Where you be there dey select mothers.
Just see am now.
God. Guys, abeg, like, comment and share this video. Anything una get to tell this young girl, abeg, drop am for the comment section. Thank you.